Welcome back to English class once again. Last class we studied about a poem named Squirrel. Hope you all like it. That video, I think so. And today I'm going to deal with supplementary reader first lesson, that is The Tiny Teacher. As the name signifies, this is a story about a teacher, a tiny teacher, that is an ant. Okay, so the lesson starts by the author tells us some things. What it is? He asks us, what is the smallest creature in the world? Okay, obviously it is ant. He gives certain examples. At last he comes to ant. And in this lesson, he gives us life cycle of ant. Okay, how it lays, where it lays, what all things matters. Okay, so we are going to see that. And he is telling that there are many different kinds of ants in this world. And the commonest among them are the black and the red one. Okay, so it may be of different sizes also. And he is telling that the ants used to communicate each other by using their antennae. You have seen the antennae of ant, isn't it? Yes. When two ants come and meet each other, they used to communicate something. They used to message something. As we are messaging through WhatsApp or any other messaging system, they used to communicate each other through that antennae. You would have seen that two ants coming across each other and they will be passing some, they will be meeting for a while, then they will be going on. Isn't it? Likewise, the author is telling that the ants used to communicate with each other. And he is telling that in the anthill, there are several compartments for living. When we see the anthill, we used to see only small hall. But inside the anthill, there are several compartments. In that, soldiers are there, workers are there, grubs are there. Grubs means small young ones of ant. Okay. So there is no fight between them. That is, soldiers will not enter into workers' room. Workers will not enter into soldiers' room. There is no fight between them. Unity is there. And he is telling about the queen ant. So we have a lot of things to learn from this ant lesson. Okay, that is very, very important. Then he is telling about queen ant. We would have seen the ants with wings over its body. Isn't it? That type of ants are queen ant. Okay, it is considered to be the mother of ant. Okay, and the queen ant, how it is laying eggs, all these things we are going to see. The queen ant, on a hot summer day, it will come out of the anthill and it fly in the air, and there he will meet the ant, that is male ant, drone. Okay, D-R-O-N-E, drone means male ant. There, after the meeting with the drone, it will come back to the earth. There it will shed its wings over there. Okay, and it will come back to its anthill. After that, its work is to lay eggs. So the several rooms are there, I already told you. In that 2 or 3 rooms, it will be occupied for laying the eggs. So all these rooms will be storehouses for eggs. And after some days, these eggs will be hatched out. Okay, eggs will be hatched out and small ants, grubs, G-R-U-B-S, grubs will be coming out of the eggs. And soldiers will guard them. Okay, so soldiers' duty is to guard the grubs. And they will look after them and protecting them. And workers' duty is to feed them and look after them. Okay, so you would have seen many ants outside, isn't it? In your houses or nearby your house, in the ground, everywhere you can see ants. They are workers. Okay, their duty is to go outside and collect the food. And some workers will be inside the anthill also. Okay, so many types of ants are there, already I told. In that, soldiers will protect them. So whenever we step into anthill, some ants will bite us, isn't it? It will be very painful also. Why? The soldiers' duty is to protect. So they are doing their duty only. They are guarding the anthill. So I already told you, grubs will be looked after by workers. Their duty is to look after the grubs. How long? 3 weeks they need to look after. How? They need to take them outside for airing, exercise and sunshine. You would have noticed, if you have small babies in your house, your younger ones, anyone, okay, siblings or anyone, relatives, child or anyone, after the birth for 1 or 2 weeks, the mother or the who is the caretaker, they will take this baby for exposing to sunshine, isn't it? In the morning especially. So they need that vitamin. Likewise, these workers will take this small grubs to exposure to sunlight. So it is very, very necessary for them. So airing, sunshine, exercise, very important for grubs. After that, next 3 weeks, this ant grubs will be inside the cocoon. Have you seen the life cycle of butterfly? Likewise. So butterfly will be inside the cocoon in one stage, isn't it? After that only it will be coming out as a beautiful butterfly. Likewise, ants will also be like inside the cocoon, and this cocoon will automatically break out and it will come out. Okay. So normal ants are coming out from the cocoon. And they can select their own profession. If they want to become soldier, they can. If they want to become workers, they can. Whatever profession they want, they can select. And one more thing, the author is telling us that anthill is not only for ants. There are many other guests also. Who are the guests? Beetles are there. Some smaller breed of ants are there. Green fly is there. Why they are allowing other foreign bodies to get inside the anthill? There is a purpose. We will see what is the purpose. Okay. For example, we are keeping air freshness in our house. For what? In our car, in our house, room, everywhere. We need pleasant smell in our house or in wherever area we are living, isn't it? For that purpose, ants are also allowing other foreign particles. Some insects, they are providing pleasant smell. For that, they are allowed in the anthill. Some insects, they are giving juices. So ants are extracting juices from other insects. Okay. And green fly, already I mentioned green fly. Green fly is called like a cow to us. That is, when the ants come and touch with the antennae to green fly's body, some honey will be extracting from its body. Like we are extracting milk from cow's body. Okay, so for human beings, how cows are like that, green fly is for ants. Okay, so for extracting honey for their as a food, they are keeping green fly in their anthill. Okay, so they are like guests or pet animals in the anthill. And through this lesson, the author is telling us not only to simply read and go. There are so many things to learn from the lesson. What are things we can learn from this lesson? We can learn sense of duty, discipline, and most important thing we can learn from this is loyalty. Loyalty to the work what we are doing. Are we doing that? No. Human beings, we are not doing all these type of things, isn't it? Anyway, if the world is grown up so wide also, our mind is little bit narrow, isn't it? We have lot of things to learn from ant. Maybe ant is a small creature, but that small creature is teaching us a lot. That is why the title, The Tiny Teacher, is given. Isn't it? You also thought now, isn't it? Teacher. It's a teacher. It is teaching us a lot of things. What all things it is teaching? It is teaching sense of duty, discipline, and loyalty. Okay. So today onwards, we also need to keep all these things in our life. Okay. Then only our future will be good. Okay. So that hard work, discipline, everything we need to keep it in our life. So we'll meet in the next class. Okay. That's all for today. We'll meet you next class.